Hello, everybody. This is Friday. Happy Friday. Well, it's been a week almost a week since I talked about Tesla and the Mega 7. So today, let's take a look at Tesla. Since it has been a lot of negative news, press about it, and if you look at the stock, has been going from 485 all the way to 222. All right. So let's take a look at the chart and see how it is. Okay, so right here, why do I get this line? This is 185. This is the level. Since it took a kind of like bounce from this level, the next level down would be 200, and the next more I would say that the major support is around 185, and of course below it is 140, but I'm not sure you're gonna go get there anytime soon. So let's see, what about the this line? Look at this. This is from the previous high, right? I'm drawing the line down, and you can see every time the chart move up here is pull back, right? And so basically it act as was a resistance. Now it's going to become a support, and then now it's going to go here. So if it right now is 248, if it pull back down and break below 222 at 185 is a buy. All right, if it does, I recommend you to buy some, but it's just my opinion. It can go down to zero, as many people say. So let's take a quick look again. So okay, so now look like it's doing a cup, right, or a head, but most people say this is a cup, and it's by making a handle, right? And if it's the making a handle, let's say it's go up to 260, right? And then it come back down to 222, 220. Is forming a handle, and you better run. Because next it might go back here, and boom, it might be going to 1441. So it is a tricky one, right? But even if it does form a handle here, let me draw real quick. So imagine it's doing a cup and then a handle, right? Where I draw here, because this is, if you look over here, that was the last gap. So it might come back to that gap and then pull back down, right, to form the handle. So even if it does it and it go back down to 185 with this major support, and this as another major support, is a good bet for a bounce, okay, a bounce back. So all right, so let's get back. So let's see. Oops. What's next? So is from here did a drop, right? And then been bouncing back, moving sideways. The only problem is if you draw from here down here and here and here, what is this? This is a bear flag, right? So what if it's like this and then go down? Either way, it's kind of like a handle, right? So it is tricky. It is tricky. So right now, the best bet is to watch and see, right? If the probability is not on your side, stay away. Just like on Wednesday, the Fed meeting, and today, the triple witching Friday. Best is to just stay away. Don't have to trade every day because you have to live another day to trade, right? So, but let me look at the long-term chart. All right, the long-term chart. Okay, so if you look, okay, never mind. So if you look at the long-term chart on a weekly chart, so I'm making the hammer, right? However, it's making another hammer. So with all the negative press and everything against Tesla and Elon, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If we don't count this, so it's about 10 weeks down, right? That's a lot for a short term. And if you do a quick measurement from the top, it did about at least 50% drawdown, right? Within 3 months or less than 3 months, that is a lot for a company as big as Tesla. So right now, really, we just have to wait. Okay, we have to wait for confirmation. So what I'm expecting is you want it to at least making 1 or 2 weeks candle above I would say at least about 275. If you stay above 275 for at least 1 or 2 weeks, the next level could be easily back to, it might get back at highest this level at 360, and that would be about 60% bounce, right? And it's possible, but we need at least 2 weeks for it to go back and stay above 275. So for now, let's wait. This might go back here, up here, make a handle, coming back here, and bam, we're all the way down here. We don't know, right? Nobody knows. So just do your best, do your diligence, check everything. If you're not sure, as the financial advisor. So yeah, Tesla is volatile and it's not for faint of heart. It's not easy to trade. So have a good night, everybody. See you in the next video. Please click a like, subscribe, and share. Share to the people that trade Tesla and tell them to be careful. Right? Bye, everybody.